To start out, you'll want to mark your track about every 12 inches for screw placement. All PES track has vertical lines on it that function as a guide so you know where center is on your track. There are two options when installing side track for your PES. You can install track on the outside of your post or vertical supports. Or you can install track on the inside of your post or vertical supports. This is a decision that you can make together with your PES design team and based on the specific configuration of your outdoor space. Note that your track won't reach the top of your vertical supports. Use the self-tapping screws included in your PES kit to install the side track. Make sure you're flush to the edge of your vertical supports when installing track, so your PES curtains will fit perfectly.